What does my patient need to know about the independent medical exam doctor, also known as an IME doctor? There are some really important things for your patient to know. Number one, the doctor they're going to see is not there to treat them. They are there only to examine them. And most people have never had the experience of seeing a medical provider who's not there to examine them for the purposes of getting them better, right? The second thing they need to know is that just because oftentimes the PIP carrier that your patient is going through tends to be on average their own insurance company, your patient may be thinking, well, hey, since it's my insurance company sending me to one of their doctors, they're going to be looking out more for me because, well, I've been paying my premiums to these guys for 20 years. Not true, right? We know that insurance companies, one of their jobs is to minimize paying money out. And it doesn't make any difference whether it's to someone who isn't insured, or who is not an insured. Just doesn't make a difference. There is no patient-doctor relationship. Fourth, the doctor is not going to be neutral. I can't tell you how many times I've heard people say, well, they're going to be neutral, right? They're not going to be for the insurance company or for me, but they're going to be genuinely neutral. Absolutely not. We know that there is relatively speaking, a small group of doctors that IMEs are sent to, that IME exams are done through. And that's because they're only going to pick people who are generally going to give opinions favorable to the insurance company. And lastly, oftentimes people believe the more information they give to the IME doctor, the more it's going to help them, because surely the IME doctor is going to understand what's going on if I just really explain everything to them. If this was a logical, rational world, that would be an absolutely accurate statement. But it is not a rational, logical world, at least the IME world is not, and that just never happens. So these are some of the main differences. It's good for your patients to generally understand about IME doctors.